This photo, Sam will show you how to handle a street photo. This is a photo of Sam taken in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. In this photo, I also apply the same 4-step process as Sam shared with you. First, I will edit the subject. Second is color. The third is the brightness of the environment. And finally the effect. However, this photo has a difference that Sam wants to use FineArt colors in this photo. So Sam will ignore the color and brightness of the environment. And Sam will add the color. The first is that now Sam will correct the skin tone and make the skin. Here, I just scan in, I will increase the dark part. Then after that, I will correct the skin color with the beauty skin. I made the skin like the previous steps, like the photos that Sam showed you. I'm here to save time in post-production tutorials. Then Sam won't go into the details of how each photo is made of skin. Then after I finish the skin. Then the second step is to now put the color in. Before adding color, Sam will add an effect. Here Sam sees this photo, it's flat, not pretty. So Sam wants an effect of adding sun, then I will choose flare. At this point, I can choose any sun. Here is Sam picking this one. Select OK. I press Command T, or Control T. I move this sun. Then I will choose the brush to erase the shadows around. Before, after. I reduced this part. Before, after. Then the sun, it will make the image itself more depth. Then I can add flare, any flare here. Then after I added the sun. Then Sam will choose this FineArt color. Here is Sam who has a street art color available, I will choose this color. That's it, I've finished editing the color photo. I can increase or decrease the opacity as I want. Next, I have one more wish that I will do is to blur these passers-by. These people will distract me from the photo. So Sam wants to blur these people out by selecting motion blur. This time it was Sam scanning these people. I will choose to increase this flow. If I choose 100%, I scan them and they will be blurry. Before, after. Then I use this feature to help me focus more on my subject. Normally Sam would use this motion blur, in street photos, blur unwanted subjects. Here I can reduce the opacity. Depends on what you want. To increase or decrease the opacity of these lanes. Then with just a few mouse clicks, I finished a photo. Before, after. Very beautiful, the color is very impressive.